Hello, my name is Dr. Levin Wong, and I'd like to say thank you for joining me on this really quick video that I've made to try to give you a sense of my 12-hour program that I'm presenting this year through Fetterman Events. I have been teaching in chiropractic for over 21 years now. I started teaching in 1996. I got out of Palmer West in San Jose after going to school there, and I started teaching immediately while I started to practice. And it's been a lot of fun through all these years. I've traveled a lot of places and helped a lot of people, but really the teaching that I'm bringing to you for this 12-hour program is born out of all of the experiences that I've had through the office of trying to help patients and seeing what patients have talked to us about when they've come from other practitioners, whether they be MDs or PTs or massage therapists, even other chiropractors. And I've really tried to tailor my program to address the issues that the patients have when they come in the office. We see on a clinical daily basis that if we can get a little bit better at them, we can really help to improve these patients' lives and really help ourselves as chiropractors to be better practitioners. So the name of my program is Adjusting the Extremities and the Spine the Wong Way. We essentially start from the feet, and we go over arches, anatomy, some of the conditions, and we move all the way up the spine. We go from the feet, the ankles, the legs, the knees, the hips, the back. We go through the axial spine, all the way up through the ribs. Now, normally I do teach shoulders, but because of Dr. Dolbin's specialty in that with Fetterman Events, I will skip over shoulders and we go right to elbows, wrists, the neck, and we end up at the TMJ at hour 12. So my program really involves a lot of hands-on. It involves a lot of us going over these different body parts. And it's not because you haven't had very much exposure. For all I know, you've had quite a bit of exposure, but for all I know also, you haven't touched some of this stuff since we left school. If you don't practice a lot of extremities in practice, it's hard to kind of mess around with it if you don't have a lot of the proper instruction. So our job is to kind of review some of that information and just help you be better. So one of the things I request is that if you have a portable table, I would love for you to bring it. I'd also love for you to just bring some comfortable clothes. We're going to be doing hands-on on each other, so be prepared for that. And also, we will cover taping and some rehab and some different things like that as we go through the body. I'm really, really big on all that, and I've been teaching it for years. So trying to just bring you as comprehensive program as I know and just bring a lot of fun to you. If we're going to give up 12 hours of our life, we're going to have fun together. And that's one of the big things that I'm all about, is making us enjoy our time, having you learn, not just memorize things, and really make it so that you're happy that you spent 12 hours with me. So I really hope you get a little bit of a glimpse of who I am. You can really find out more about me by going on the web and do a web search for me. I've written a lot of articles and taught a lot of seminars over the years I've been out there since 1996. And I sure hope I get the chance to meet you in person. Have a fantastic day, and thanks for listening.